Today we have on stage Dr. Soumya Ram Rakhyani, a pediatrician and an art of living teacher who went from prescribing medication to teaching meditation over 2 decades ago. And Divya Kanchibotla ji, a previous director of Art of Living Research and currently a higher education head at SSRBM.
Jai Gurudev, Pranam Gurudev. Today we are going to share some things with you. Before that, I would just like to set the context कि हम क्या बात करेंगे. आपके सामने, in front of you, I would like to present 3 situations that we face in our day-to-day life. For example, sometimes, when we are deep in the flow of work, and then suddenly our phone dings with a text message. And in that moment, we make a choice. Either we interrupt our deep flow of work or whatever else we are doing, and we get distracted, or we continue with our focus. So what makes that choice for us? Similarly, when suppose you are nervous, you have to do something very difficult, like an inspection or something else, and you feel like, oh my God, will I be able to do it? What part of your brain says, come on, move forward, you have done this before? Or for example, when you are doing exercising or doing something, you're almost at the end and you feel, I want to give up now. So what part of your brain tells up, come on, don't give up? So that part of the brain today we will talk about, and I give it to Dr. Soumya. We can bring up the slides. So that part of the brain is called the anterior cingulate cortex. Next slide, please. So that is the decision maker of the brain. Next slide. So ACC is a part of brain that's located in the front of the brain, deep inside, just above where our third eye is. Very important in intuition, gut feeling, as well as self-awareness. And they're only found in ACC and one other part of the brain. Next slide, please. So research has shown that meditation increases gray matter in the ACC, which indirectly supports spindle neuron function. And this is one way we can explain why meditation makes our intuition strong. Next slide. So ACC is like the COO of the brain, the Chief Operating Officer. It's sitting in the middle and communicating with a lot of different parts of the brain, like the prefrontal cortex, making sure we stay focused on our goals, with the emotional center of the brain to make sure we don't get overwhelmed. Also monitoring our body, what's happening inside our body. Are we hungry? Are we tired? Also looking at hippocampus and making sure we learn from our past mistakes, as well as working with the motor system, so giving instructions to the body to change behavior. Next slide, please. So because of all of this, where it sits and how much information is coming into ACC, it is like a traffic director at a busy intersection, making sure we are processing a lot of impulses coming into our brain, but staying focused on what's most important at that time. And the unique thing is, it does it super fast. No other part of the brain processes information as fast as ACC. Next slide. And because of this, ACC's key role is in maintaining focus and attention, especially when we are doing something that is not so interesting, we may find boring, our mind may start wandering. At that time, ACC brings our attention back and makes sure we stay focused. Next slide, please. This allows us to move towards our goal and stay in the present moment. Next slide. Another role that ACC plays is helping us make difficult choices. In life, we are faced with many choices. Some of them are difficult. Do I finish my work or go to sleep? Do I persevere through this situation? Do I stay calm in an argument? Those difficult choices, ACC is the responsible part of the brain for that. And it is our inner voice which tells us to go forward even in difficult moments. Next. So when your ACC is strong, it helps you make difficult choices and resolve conflicting impulses coming into the brain. Gurudev says true happiness is long-term joy. So ACC helps you move through the short-term misery so that you can be in the long-term joy. Next slide, please. ACC is also your willpower center. It allows you to have perseverance and grit. Each act of perseverance is like an exercise for ACC. So every time you do something you don't find that super interesting and do things when you don't want them to, you strengthen your ACC. And every time you choose to ignore that impulse and continue doing things which are not good for you, for example, you have a timer on your Instagram and every time you ignore the timer and go forward and do more scrolling, you are weakening your ACC. So next slide, please. So ACC is the neural basis of tapas. So ACC helps you do more tapas in life, and more tapas you do in life, the stronger your ACC becomes. So deeper the tapas, stronger the ACC. And that is like, building a muscle. The more exercise you do, the stronger your muscle. The stronger your muscle, more heavy lifting you can do. Similarly, more tapas you do, stronger the ACC. Stronger the ACC, you can overcome difficulties easier in life. Next slide, please. So what makes ACC strong besides taking up challenges is meditation. Meditation brings structural changes in ACC, making it stronger. Next slide. Research has shown that long-term practice of meditation increases more neurons in ACC and creates more communication channels in the white matter. So not only does ACC become stronger, more robust, it also communicates faster. And these results can be seen in as short a time as 8 weeks. Next slide, please. During meditation, ACC also lights up more. So it allows us not to let our mind wander, resolve conflicting impulses, and reduces daydreaming. So we have a deeper experience in meditation, as well as this continues after meditation. Next slide. One very interesting thing that ACC does after meditation is that it separates suffering and pain. Next slide. Gurudev says that pain is inevitable and suffering is optional. So how to live that experience, that comes from a strong ACC. After your ACC is strong, it prevents suffering from overwhelming the mind. And this is not just a placebo effect. ACC actually develops better networks with meditation. So what strengthens the ACC? One, meditation, and secondly, taking up challenging tasks in life. Next slide. So if ACC is a muscle, meditation is its exercise. Next slide. And with a strong ACC, we can live with purpose, willpower, and resilience. And meditation is the way to strengthen it. Thank you.
है ना? देखो छोटी छोटी बातों पे हम इतना उखड़ जाते हैं, ऊब जाते हैं, इसीलिए ये तपस बहुत आवश्यक है। पहले ज़माने में तो गुरु लोग ऐसे करते थे, किसी को खूब डांट फटकार करना, उनको इतना परेशान कर देना ताकि वो हर चीज़ झेल पाए। जो शंकराचार्य महाराज थे, ब्रह्मानंद सरस्वती, वो कहते थे जो यहाँ मार खाता है मेरे पास, वो दुनिया में कहीं भी मार नहीं खाएगा। तो कहते यहाँ मार पड़ी तो दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मार पड़ सकती, माने तुम मजबूत हो जाओगे यहाँ ऐसे। तो ये था। पुराने ज़माने के गुरु लोग भी ऐसे करते थे। तुम्हारी कुछ भी गलती ना होगा फिर भी तुम्हें दोषी ठहराए, बोले तुमने गलत क्या? अब तुम्हारा नेचुरल टेंडेंसी क्या होता है? नहीं जी मैं तो नहीं गलत किया, अपने आप को डिफेंड करने का होता है। जितना तुम डिफेंसिव हो जाते हो, अपने आप को बचाने की चेष्टा करते हो, उतना तुम वहीं के वहीं बने रहोगे। डिफेंस लगाना बहुत बड़ी भूल है। किसके साथ? अपनों के साथ। जिनको तुम अपने समझते हो उनके सामने तुम डिफेंसिव हो जाते हो तो अपनापन वहाँ खत्म होने लगे, तुम कमज़ोर पड़ने लगोगे, तुम अकेले पड़ने लग जाओगे। इसलिए वहाँ डिफेंस छोड़ना चाहिए। समझ रहे ना? गुरु बोलेंगे तुम गधे हो, आपने कैसे बोल दिया मेरे को गधे? मैं तो गधा नहीं हूँ। ऐसा नहीं, जो आपने बोला मैं रिफ्लेक्ट करूँगा, उसको देखूँगा कैसे। वो करना चाहिए, तब क्या है, खुल जाओगे, खिल जाओगे, मजबूत हो जाओगे। कन्नड़ में एक बहुत छोटी सुंदर एक दोहा है, उस पे कहते हैं, जितना तुम गन्ने को चूसते हो उतना रस निकलता है। ऐसे सोने पर जितना हथौड़ी लगता है उतना सोना चमकता है। चंदन को जितना पीसते हो उतना सुगंध निकलेगा। भाई ऐसी कोई लकड़ी को लेके कोई पीसता नहीं है, चंदन का लकड़ी को ही पीसते हैं। इसलिए तुम जीवन में पीसे जा रहे हो, तुम्हें पीसा जा रहा है, समझ रहे हो मैं तो चंदन हूं, इसलिए मुझे पीसा जा रहा है। मैं तो गन्ना हूं, इसीलिए मेरे को तोड़ मरोड़ रहे हैं, चूस रहे हैं खस के, तो ये मेरे रस निकले। ये है ना, सोना है इसलिए हथौड़ी लगती है उस पर। इस तरह से आदमी ठोक पीट करके व्यक्ति को सीधा करते थे। वो भी एक ज़माना था जहाँ पर अपने सब स्टूडेंट्स को, डिसाइपल को ऐसे सीधा करते थे, जिसमें फिर वो रोना ही नहीं होता, अरे ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, वो वैसा हो गया, ये वैसा हो गया, इसने ये कह दिया, उसने वो कह दिया। अरे एक आदमी ने गाली दे, 10 आदमी से गाली दिलाएंगे तेरे को। एक आदमी की गाली में तुम ऐसे टूट के, तो समाज में कैसे तुम मजबूत रह सकते हो? हाँ, 100 आदमी गाली दे तब भी तुम मजबूत बने रहो, तो निखर जाओ, है ना। तभी तो समाज में तरह तरह के लोग होते हैं, तरह तरह की परिस्थितियां आती है, इन सब में निखर के आना चाहिए। इसीलिए ये एसीसी बड़ा, देखो ये एसीसी वही है, वो एंड्योरेंस, एसीसी को मजबूत करना बहुत आवश्यक है। नहीं तो हम इतने इमोशनली कमज़ोर रहते हैं, वीक रहते हैं, दूसरों के बातों में आ जाते हैं, बहुत जल्दी नेगेटिविटी पकड़ लेते हैं अपना मन में, वो नकारात्मकता चीज़ लेके सब पे थोप देते रहते हैं। अपना है तो नकारात्मक अपने दिमाग में, उसको सब पर थोपा, फिर खुद पर भी थोप गए, और सबको ब्लेम करो, फिर खुद को ब्लेम करो। ये स्विंग चलता है, यही अज्ञानता है, मूर्खता है। ज्ञान की पाठशाला में यही है, इससे हटो, तुम ऐसे मजबूत हो से मुस्कुराते रहो, हर परिस्थिति में तुम अपने आप को मजबूत समझो, विजेता बन के रहो। यही तो जीवन जीने की कला। डोंट बी फुटबॉल ऑफ मदर्स ओपिनियन। ये छोटी छोटी बातों को जब जितना तुम देखो उतना गहराई में जीवन में लागू होता है। ये नहीं समझना एक बार कोर्स कर लिया, थोड़ा समझ ले, हो गया, नहीं, ये बार बार देखो, परखो इसको, तो तुमको लगता है अरे भाई ये तो बात सही, मैं यहाँ छूट गया, ये चूक गया हूँ, ये नहीं समझ पाया, ये नहीं कर